So I have more space on my camera, and I saw Lowe's was over here, so I'm like, let me just go. So we're going from New Orleans to Houston, so I decided to stop here. Look. $12. I need that shirt. It's a pretty nice selection. I see hanging planters. I don't see any floor plants, but there they are back there. So let's see what we can find. As you can see, they have tons of fans going out here. So I'm gonna try to talk louder. I'm not a loud talker. I don't like people that talk loud. So yeah, there's that. A lot of people be like, stop whispering in your videos, but I just don't like talking loud. It pisses me off. But that's some childhood trauma for another day, right? We have some arrangements here. Wow, pretty nice size ZZ plant for $39. Hopefully you can hear me. They have lots of really cool arrangements. Oh, now that is nice. Is that a ZZ plant? They have tons of different options, I guess, with the arrangements. Here's the floor plants. We have peace lilies. Wow. Oh my goodness. Look at this money tree. It's only $30. $29.98. It's braided. Whoa, look at that one back there. Let me see. That one. That is an intense braid. So pretty. Oh, how I wish I could take you home with me. Those are beautiful. Then we have some dracaenas and some fiddle leaf figs over here. I think this is a lemon lime philodendron, or golden goddess philodendron. One of them. These are in the self-watering, or they let you know when they need water, I think, in those. Let's step away from the fan. You see how intense the fan is? It's super intense. This is cute. I'm just randomly touching things now. Hanging bromeliad and moss. Now that's cute. Now that's really, really cute. How cute. $18.98. I feel like that's a good price. Oh, they have more. These aren't the moss balls. These are like Kokodama. Some trendy thing. I don't really know what it is, but I'm sure someone below could let me know. This is just a way to not have any plastic use with your plants. They have different types of ferns, bromeliads in them. So it seems maybe water-loving plants would be good in those, or in that substrate. This is pretty. The coloring. Excuse me. The green bean pepperonias looking all lovely and lush. Here they have more of the bromeliads in moss. Really nice. They also have that one in the square box hanging planter. And then below is nothing but bonsai trees. I've never seen this large of a selection of bonsai trees, but I'm enjoying it because I know a lot of people like those. They're popular. I think I finally come upon, I haven't been out in the streets in a long time, so I think I've come upon some new planters here in this section. Ooh, Baltic blue looks really, really, really good. It looks good. I hate that you're on the ground, but you look really nice. They have tons of them here. Really nice stuff. And these are $19.98. And here's the new planters. I think these are all $15.98. Bird's nest, Sansevierias, little small, compact of the ZZ plants. This is called the Crocodile Fern. Feels like there's bugs on me. And then they have larger options in those planters. Looks like that's a money tree. Alocasias and caladiums. What are these called? this, some type of prayer plant. This one's cute. It's kind of like in a mug. No, not really, but it looks like a mug from the side. And I have the money tree with the thick stalk, thick stems. I have their exotic angel plants down here. Pretty cool. Here's one that I never thought I'd see. Isn't this the, who are you? I know who you are. I know who you are, but I can't think of the name. I haven't seen these in like the smaller section. I'll think of the name. I'll put it on the screen, but I haven't seen these out here in a long time. They have air plants. Really nice. Bug biting plants. Looks like you have to like plant it yourself or something. I don't know. Creeping figs. More ferns and ivies. We have our turning tropical fiddle leaf figs. This, I want to take you home. Is this blue or is it black? I prefer black planters. I think that's blue. But it looks nice. Wow, there's so many plants in here, y'all. And there's so many people in here. I'm trying not to get people's faces. Because I'm not about to get sued. Okay? Period. Poop. Sago palm looks nice. I like that they have like light pink rose colored planters now. That's new. Something I really haven't seen. They kind of stick to more neutral colors, but yeah, pinks and peaches and beiges. I guess they're still potted. A watering can. That's nice. We have arrangements down here with different pepperonis and orchids and bromeliads. Never seen that before. That's different for sure. The perfect birthday gift for a Leo. The Leos in your life. Give them that. That's nice. There we go. Focus on the inside. So there's moss, there's rocks, pebbles. 2 plants in there. Wow. Look at this orchid. That's her roots, I'm assuming. I guess she doesn't need water or soil. What is this? Ambanda orchid highlight. I don't know why she's like this, but she's so beautiful. It's nice. More orchids in the moss balls. Some little baby succulents hidden in there. There's another one. This would be so cool to have at home. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that or if it's like a mistake. I'm unsure. Which one are you? Oh. That doesn't look too appealing. Somebody leaked down inside of her, probably. But there's tons of bromeliads, the bromeliad arrangements. Bonsais for about $25, $26. I like it because they're in the cute planters. Here they are right here. You know, sometimes you gotta give up the money because it's so cute, right? Here's the hanging planter, some of them for right now. My baby. The bilobata wax plant. Bilobata. Hoya bilobata. Lucky bamboo. money trees, snake plants, and dracaenas. They have tons of the Janet Craig compacticas here. The Wick and Grow, or exotic angel plant collection, whichever one you want to call it. It's a coffee plant. I love how shiny the leaves are though. Whoever you are, you're beautiful. You're beautiful. Next selection. Meow. Meow. Meow, meow, meow. It's funny, you can always tell the age of a person by the music that they, like the songs that they hum. The songs that come to their head first. Like whenever I used to do tarot card readings, I would for me, when I pull a card, it always would bring a song to my head. I think for me, music is one of those languages for me. Something like music touches me in a different way than most other things in life. So when I'm tapping in spiritually, the songs really connect with the tarot cards. I say that to say, when I was doing those videos, you could see, like, you could tell my age because of the, oh, wow. You could tell my age because of the songs that I would choose, or the songs that would come to me or pop up. 698, white jewel dracaena dermis. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Just a pretty baby. There we go. She's pretty. I bought a dracaena recently, and we've been getting along pretty well. She's doing pretty good. Lots of the Alocasia amazonicas are here. This is a pretty nice size. I think maybe an 8 or 6 inch pot for $12.98. Pretty strange. I haven't really found anything that I want to take home, but I will say they have an amazing assortment. Except for that fern that was over there. I can't remember it. The staghorn fern. That's it. That's the one that I really would like to take home with me if I could. A beautiful calathea. The sun moved, so the lighting is getting a little iffy. So I'm gonna move over to the next section. Yeah. The bricks are still here. Watermelon pepperonis. I don't remember who they are, but they're really pretty. I love when they have the plants like lined up and organized. It makes everything so much easier to capture. Wait till you see these ZZ plants. I don't know if it's doing them justice. The deep, like they look purple in real life. I'm gonna insert a picture and hopefully it'll get the real color. Lots of Bromeliads. They go palms down there. I don't think that's clearance, but it looks like it should be clearance, right? That's cool. They have a little hanging section. I would like to have this at my house, to be honest. Some hurricane ferns and the friendship plant, Pepperonis, whatever it's called.
Yo.